Hello everyone and welcome to this video where we'll be guiding you on how to make money on Fiverr. We'll be focusing on 8 Fiverr gigs you can go into and start making some extra cash. To get started, we've got the link to Fiverr in the description to get you started. The first is offering services as a virtual assistant, where you get to offer administrative support such as scheduling and emails. You'll need some skills such as being tech savvy, and you'll need to be organized. Softwares such as Slack, Trello, Calendly, and Google Workspace are a plus to your skill set. At number 2, you could offer copywriting services where you get to create marketing text, emails, ads, websites, and the rest. You'll need skills in writing and persuasive language. Softwares such as Google Docs, Grammarly will be handy tools. Coming up at number 3, you have web designs, where you get to build websites and web applications. You'll need skills in coding with languages such as JavaScript, Python, PHP, and the rest. You'll also need to know some design principles. Softwares which are must-haves are Figma, VS Code, or WordPress. At number 4, you could actually work as a translator, where you get to convert text or audio between languages. You'll need to be fluent in multiple languages, and tools like SDL, Trader Studio, and Google Docs will definitely be handy tools for you. And if you have a voice which you want to use as a voiceover artist, you can record your voice for various media. You'll need to speak with clear diction and proper grammar. And proficiency in tools like Audacity and Adobe Audition are definite pluses to help you succeed. Coming up at number 6, you can actually create music. Produce original music and audio. You'll need skills in music composition, audio engineering, and tools such as Ableton Live, Logic Pro, amongst others, are great tools to have in your skill set. Coming up at number 7, you could create visual brand identities. You'll need skills in graphic design and creativity. Softwares such as Adobe Illustrator, Figma, Photoshop are great tools to start with. And coming up at number 8, you can write a blog post where you can create written content for online platforms. You'll need skills in writing and research, to name a few. Softwares which will come in handy are Google Docs and Grammarly, to name a few. We hope at this point you're able to pick from these 8 options in order to earn some extra cash while being on Fiverr. We wish you success in searching for a way to make more money on Fiverr, and if you found these steps helpful, do let us know in the comment section below, and don't forget to use the link in the description so you can get a head start on Fiverr, and thanks for watching.